Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I am going to be doing an unboxing today of a mystery box from thredUP, and the box is a fun box. For those who don't know, a fun box is items that are sent into thredUP for sale. And thredUP, by the way, is an online consignment store for women's clothing and I believe is it children's too? But anyway, I know it's women's clothing. Anyway, things that are sent in that are not eligible to be listed on the site, things like bras and socks and things like that. And if they are just too valuable to be thrown out, I think that's what they do. They don't say that's what they do, but I think it's things that thredUP just doesn't have a place for, but they're too nice to just get rid of. So they put them in this box and they sell it as a thredUP fun box. You really don't know what you're going to get in this box. It could be I've heard of people getting high-end brand names. I haven't gotten any really high-end things, but one time I got a pair of Ray-Bans, but they were crushed. I thought they were great, and then I tried them on, and someone must have sat on them or something, or stepped on them. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to be opening a fun box. I hope that's what it is. I have a lot of boxes here right now. So, anyway, the paper, that the packing slip already came out of it, and it does say rescue box, fun box, 10 items. So let's get to it. This fun box is from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. It's one of their smaller boxes, and it's not the new print, it's just this regular old print. So it's one of their older boxes, in case you care. I ordered this item, I ordered this box. Do I have that on here? Yes, May 29th. So let's get to it. And while I'm opening this box, I am Stephanie. I'm an eBay reseller. I've been doing that for many years part-time. By day, I do the marketing for a software company. So let's see. And I've been doing that for a long, long time. Okay. Why won't it open? By the way, I have several box cutters. This is my favorite one. I'm always a tad distressed if I can't find my regular box cutter. All right, here is the first peek with the paper on it. I love these things. I always reuse them for packaging, so that's great. And then, what do we have? Oh, I see slippers. Okay, all right, well, let's get to it here. Usually if you get slippers, they are not going to be, the slippers will be usually new. I mean, I've never gotten any used. A lot of the items in here are brand new. In fact, I don't think I've ever gotten anything used in a fun box. Let's start out with this hat. Here is like a, what do you call that, derby hat? It's cute. Oh, so I might have to keep that as, look at that. It's kind of like a sailor hat, isn't it though? Look at the hardware. It's really nice. One size, but what is there? I don't see any. Okay, that's a really cute hat. That is a really cute hat. Okay, no, my head's too big. By the way, probably half of it's my hair because today it's raining here and I have to go with the natural hair today on a rainy day. So the hair is a little bit large. Anyway, cute derby hat or sailor hat or whatever you call it. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, it's like rope. It's really cute. So, probably a size small, I'm going to guess. I do have kind of a big head. Anyway, moving on to the next item. By the way, we get 10 items in here. Ooh, this is cute. Lug. Don't know that brand. It's brand new. Definitely has not been used. Bobsled XL. I don't know what that is. I do not know. But lug. Bobsled XL. It looks like some kind of a, maybe, it might be like protective eyewear holder. Like it's too big for just regular glasses, but it could be for like skiing goggles or something like that. I don't know. I'll look it up before I post this though. All right, that's the second item. The third item are these socks. Okay, I want to tell you a story right now. I wish I had a picture of this to show you, but I was in Wisconsin yesterday, northern Wisconsin, and the biggest bear I've ever seen was running on its hind legs. And that is a true story. It was running like it was crazy. I tried to get a picture, but it was too fast, believe it or not. A bear, a big black bear. It was at least 1,000 pounds. All right, anyway, back to these socks. It's ironic that I'm getting these socks because really, It reminds me of the bear yesterday. But anyway, a lot of knits is the name of the brand. Knitted cotton texting gloves. Oh, they're gloves with Sherpa fleece lining. Okay, they're really cute. I guess you just put them, your fingers are free, I guess. I don't know. That's what it looks like to me. They're good for Minnesota, but not this time of year. Boy, oh boy, it's hot. So those are cute. All right. Oh, oh my goodness. Okay. This is a brand new with tags. Vince Camuto. I don't know if this is just, let's just see what it says. It's brand new with tags. It says $79 retail. Wow, look at that. Size small. And romantic glamour color hush pink. I don't know if this is just a shirt that you would wear, an undergarment for, or is it a nightgown? I really don't know. But it's really cute, and is it silk? Let's go see. I'm not convinced that it's silk, but it's something really, really soft. Machine wash, oh, it's polyester. Okay. So $79 retail. That is so pretty. Wow. That's impressive. Okay, that was the fourth item. That's really impressive. All right, now these, wow. Oh my gosh. There's some good items in this box. I'm really pleasantly surprised. Okay, there is a pair of Columbia. Oh my gosh. These are Columbia slippers, and they're brand new. They're brand new. They have never been worn. Again, there's kind of a shadow when I put these on there, but yeah, they're brand new. They've definitely not been worn. What size are they? Oh, let's see. They are a women's. That's a UK size. They are. I'm gonna have to make sure get my magnifying glass out, but I believe they're a women's 9. They're leather. They look like real leather. I can't believe they're not real leather. I mean, I think they sure seem to be real leather. Let's see. Made in Myanmar. Yep, USA 9. I'll have to check out. I'll have to see if I can find the makeup. But it definitely feels like real leather. I can't believe these are brand new. That's amazing. And the kind of like Sherpa-like inside. They're really cute. Nice. Oh, cool. A Dropkick Murphys hat. There's the Dropkick Murphys are a band. I don't know if they're still a band or not. But I can't remember that song they sang. They have a really good song that I know of. If I heard it, I would know it. But anyway, the Dropkick Murphys. They're great. I think there's some swearing in that song. But anyway. All right, cool. And it's brand new. It's a stocking cap. All right. Next item is, I guess they think I like to get red bras because this is the second one I've got that's almost identical. That is adorable. Oh my goodness. Wow. And it's a 34C. Allegra Balconette bra, and the brand name is Jornell. Jornell. And then here's the 34C. Oh my gosh, that's really nice. Doesn't have a price tag on it, but 34C, and it's just, it's unlined. Oh my God, that's really nice. Goodness, that is nice looking. Okay, this, I don't know what this is, but it looks like, let's see. Oh, fashion bag straps. Oh, they're bag straps. I can use those to put in some of my, I know some of the purses I have gotten have not had good handles on them, so nice. Let's just take them out and see what they look like. I think I will keep those and use them. Okay, I see. There's two. There's a pink one. It's kind of like this, I think it's just plastic, acrylic or whatever it is. And this one's kind of like it almost looks agate colored, kind of a burgundy. Yeah, those are nice. That will be nice. So nice. Purse straps. I can deal with those. Just a couple items left. The fun boxes, you're probably not going to get a Gucci bag in there, but I mean, for the most part, you have to adjust expectations. They only cost about $30. $34, I believe, plus shipping and tax. All right, and we've got This, what in the world? I don't know if these are each supposed to be an item, but there's, look at all these. Let's see, what have we gotten? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is all supposed to be equaling up to one item, I guess. There are a bunch of belts, or something. So here's one belt. Faux leather. It almost looks like woven, I don't know, woven belt. I don't know what size it is. It does not say. Maybe like a size medium or large. Another one just like it is size, let's see, woman belt for dresses, etc. What? Waistband? Okay. I don't know what to do with those. I don't know. And then a bunch of headbands in 5 colors. If anyone likes headbands for workouts or whatnot, maybe they'd be good. I used to like, I like terry cloth ones for when I'm running. So these wouldn't be for me. I don't run a lot anymore because I had knee surgery and I'm terrified to go back to it. So I might, you never know. Okay, anyway, I don't know. 5 headbands. Weird, but okay. And the last item is this pair of Spanx all the way, tummy to toes, full length hose. And what size are they? Size E. So size E is okay, it's size E, which is, there's A, B, C, D, E. So the weight is 190 to 238 and 5 feet to, you know what? I really don't know. You'd have to look at Spanx sizing. I think they're probably like a size large. Nude, and they're nude. Okay, actually, I don't know. Flawless legs for flare, comfortable and slimming. I don't know about Spanx. I'm going to look these up before I post this video. So, and that's it. I don't know. I'm pretty happy with this box. This stuff right here, meh, I don't know. Not great. But the rest of it's interesting, and I will use these. And these are good. Spanx is always a great brand name. It's expensive to buy Spanx. Any Spanx product is expensive if you buy it brand new from Spanx. So, and okay, well, let's go over the rest of them. We've got the lug, little zip top holder of something. We've got the derby hat. We've got this beautiful Vince Camuto top, size small. We've got these texting gloves with a bear on them, and they've got little thumb holes. I didn't even realize till just now. So, those. We've got the Dropkick Murphys. And we've got this Balconette bra, which is so, so cute. So cute. And finally, the Columbia size 9 women's slippers. Really, really nice. I have to say, I'm pretty happy with that box. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite item was in the comments, and have a great day.